Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abema from class 4B. Today my topic is tolerance. Tolerance is need of ours and nothing is required in this contemporary word than tolerance. As tolerance is to accept the views and action of other with patience and light behavior, stopping himself from reaction on the action of other and real tolerance. Parents observe committed by their kids. Similarly, a friend bear the weak or habits and think of his friend with patience and tolerance. On the other hand, Islam teaches us tolerance, not hatred, universal brotherhood, not enmity, peace, and not violence. So we need to be calm on the unbearable. We should not make our society and environment peaceful. Thank you.